Hi, so in this video what I want to do is show you 3 reasons why I think I'm the best person on Udemy to teach you about Fiverr. And as far as I can see, I'm the only one that has all 3 of these key credibility and success factors. So number 1 is obviously the revenue. The name of the course is, make an extra 16 grand a year. So I really want to show you first off that I'm actually, making that much money. So as you can see, this is a picture of how much I've earned this month. So 1376, and this is kind of the end of the month now, the 31st. So that's a full month. And if we quickly just take out the calculator, 1376 multiplied by 12 is even over 16,000. So 16,500 per year. That is not bad at all. And I want to make clear as well that I only do this part-time, so I have a full-time job. I come back every day. I do this for an hour a day or even a little bit less. This month I worked 36 hours because I record how much time I do. So that works at about $38 per hour, which is not bad at all. And if I was to ever lose my job, I could always scale this up, do more hours, and I'd be earning a good wage, and doing it totally location independent as well. So that was the first reason I'm actually making the cash. So the second reason is that I'm a top rated seller, and essentially there's kind of 3 levels to being a Fiverr seller. There's level 1, level 2, and top rated. Now top rated is actually manually selected by the Fiverr team, so they really have to look at your profile. And these are the different levels here. We can look at them more in detail in another lecture, but here's why it's actually important. And you get 15 to 18 times more traffic than a non-level seller. You get 6 to 7 times more traffic to gigs than a level 1 seller, and 3 to 4 times more traffic to a level 2 seller. So even the next level down, I'm getting 3 or 4 times more traffic, which ultimately means more sales for me. And I'm going to show you how I think I got this status. The formula isn't printed online, but I'm going to give you the inside scoop on how I think I really achieved that, and achieved it very quickly as well. So the third and final reason I think I'm really qualified to teach you this course is because I'm also a featured seller, or my gig has been featured on Fiverr. Again, this is hand selected, and it's really the holy grail of Fiverr. And the reason you want this is, again, just to get massive amounts of traffic. So I just want to show you actually, what that impact looks like. So if we look at impressions for my gig, normally I would get maybe 2,000 to 1,500 impressions per day. Now I'm getting, 140,000 per day. So you can just imagine how much of an impact that can make to the sales that I get. Now this only happened a couple of days ago, but over the long run, this can be a full-time business if I wanted it to be, because I really have the credibility to sell. Okay, so I just wanted to show you those 3 factors. As I said, I think the only person on Udemy teaching a Fiverr course who even comes close to having all these 2 things. Really what it means is you're going to be a lot more successful on Fiverr. So just wanted to show you that as a point of differentiation. And if you haven't decided to take the course, I think that's all the proof that you needed.